Welcome to Advanced Android course. In this course, you will learn how to use ButterKnife, Realm, GSON, and Retrofit to build a beautiful Android application. The most important thing is you can build your own application, the real application to submit to Google Play Store. And here is a result after you complete this code, a wallpaper application. We will use Retrofit to make a request to get photos from Unsplash and use ButterKnife for binding view. And on the detail photo screen, we have favorite button, and we will use Realm in order to store the photo on the Android phone, and wallpaper button for set wallpaper phone. Just a few hours, and this code will change your Android skill. If you are an Android developer who wants to upgrade your skill, this is the course for you. Don't wait and enroll today. I hope to see you in my course. Thank you.